Okay, we are making progress. Not that way, let's not look that way. This way, we've got a little island here. We have broken through. Let's take a little walk-see. That's Ent. Hopefully survived the wicked storm. Alright, I can't even see the front yet. I'm gonna get hit by a plow. So, I'm pretty plowed out. Crazy drift on the house. Front. I'm not gonna walk too far here. The door is about 4 feet high of snow. These snowbanks, it is fucking cold. I'm getting there. So I have to dig out the cars, but I'm not going anywhere anyway. Let's see the back. This is where the drift's got a little cray-cray. Oh my god. This is like up to my hips right now. There we go. There's steps in here somewhere. That is my back deck. Pretty much even with the railings here. Hot tub's under there somewhere. And I'm gonna cut this because my hand is freezing.